5 ways to earn $50 plus daily with laundry services. Are you skilled at removing stubborn stains and cleaning clothes without causing damage? Do you understand the nuances of fabric types like linen and wool, including the right detergents and temperatures for each? If so, you could turn those talents into extra income. Launch a local mobile laundry business. Starting a mobile laundry service can be a lucrative venture, catering to busy individuals who lack the time or inclination to handle their own laundry. You can offer a convenient service by picking up laundry, washing, drying, ironing, folding, and delivering it right back to your client's doorsteps. Steps to get started. 1. Identify your target market. Consider focusing on families, busy professionals, or students. Look for neighborhoods with a high concentration of your target demographic, such as affluent areas or communities with many families. 2. Set your pricing. Most mobile laundry services charge between $1 and $2 per pound of laundry. Your earnings will depend on the volume of laundry you handle and how efficiently you operate. As your client base grows and your processes improve, your potential earnings will increase. 3. Prepare your equipment. You'll need a reliable vehicle to transport laundry. Initially, you can wash and dry clothes at home or use a local laundromat. Sometimes, using commercial machines at a laundromat can be more cost-effective, depending on local utility prices. Ensure you have the necessary detergents, fabric softeners, and stain treatment products. 4. Market your services. Create a website, design flyers, and utilize social media platforms and local classifieds to advertise. Highlight what sets your service apart to build trust with potential clients. 5. Consider online platforms. If you prefer a simpler start, you can join platforms like Poplin, formerly SudShare. This app connects users with Laundry Pros for pickup, cleaning, and delivery. Poplin charges $1 per pound, and you can earn 75 cents per pound or $1.50 per pound for same-day service. While this can help you find clients more easily, remember that Poplin takes a cut of your earnings. Offer specialized laundry services. To stand out in the laundry industry, consider offering specialized services. Focus on niche markets such as eco-friendly cleaning, allergen-free detergents, or delicate fabrics like wool and silk. You could also branch out into cleaning shoes or leather items. Pricing for specialized services. Depending on your niche, you might charge up to $3 per pound of clothing or $60 per item for specialty items like sneakers. Specialized services often allow for higher pricing and better profit margins. Expertise matters. Make sure you're well informed about your chosen specialization, whether it's eco-friendly cleaning techniques or hypoallergenic products. Your knowledge and expertise will be key selling points. Launder and flip clothing. If you excel at restoring old clothing, consider buying used items, refreshing them, and selling them for a profit. Scour thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces for undervalued items that you can clean, repair, or upcycle. How to profit. Purchase items within a budget, invest in cleaning and repair supplies, and list your revamped garments on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Depop. Profits can vary widely based on how well you source and enhance your items. Initial investment asterisk. Set aside a budget for purchasing inventory and necessary supplies. Don't forget to account for listing fees and shipping costs. Run a laundromat. Opening a laundromat involves a significant upfront investment but can be highly profitable. Some laundromats offer self-service machines, while others provide full-service laundry, including washing and folding. Potential for profit asterisk. Profit margins in laundromats can range from 20% to 35%, depending on factors like location, size, and management. Adding full-service options can increase revenue. Initial costs asterisk. Be prepared to invest in commercial-grade equipment and secure a location for your laundromat. Final thoughts. If you have experience in laundry, you have several avenues to explore for making extra income. Whether you choose to work with an online platform like Poplin for a simpler start, launch a local mobile laundry service, offer specialized laundry services, or invest in a laundromat, ensure you calculate all associated costs to gauge your potential profit.